Subtracting whole numbers. Tio works at the phone shop. He buys a new phone that costs $602, but gets a staff discount of $128. How much does he pay for the phone? He's going to pay $602 minus the $128 staff discount that he's looking for. What we're going to do with these numbers, 602 minus 128, is break them down into their decimal place value. 6 hundredths and 0 tenths and 2 units. Take away 100 and 2 tenths and 8 units. We can write this again without the brackets. 6h plus 0t plus 2u. And we're going to then take off everything in this bracket. So we're taking off the 1h, we're taking off the 2t, and we're taking off the 8u. Now we're in a position to look for like terms. Which terms could be combined together? The 6h and the minus 1h, for example, the t's, and then the u's. Let's rearrange it and gather together those terms that are like each other. We'll keep them in brackets so it's clearer to see what's what. 6h's minus 1h and 0t's minus 2t's and 2u's minus 8u's. 6h's minus 1h makes 5h. 0 tens take away 2 makes minus 2 tens. And 2u's take away 8u's makes minus 6u's. Now we can put them together on our decimal place value grid to see what we come out with. We have 5 hundredths, so 5 hundredths. And then we have to add on a minus 2 tens. So basically we in effect are minusing 2 tens or minusing 20. And then we're adding on a minus 6 units. So in fact we're going to be having a minus 6 units. Let's work this out line by line. 500 minus 20 will give us 480. 480 minus 6 will leave us with 474. So therefore the amount of money that will be paid by Tio is $474.